Hello folks, today we're out here looking at a driveway that's being poured, and some of the things this concrete company is doing that I think is just outstanding. And a lot of concrete companies do not do this. As a matter of fact, I would have to say most don't do this. This is above and beyond. This is even a higher quality than what we normally see. But we're getting really deep up here. And we're up here almost 12 inches thick at the entrance of this driveway here. But then, and you can see that just how thick it is right in here. But look here, we got this wire mesh inside of here. Now, a lot of people just use fiber concrete, but they like this because it gives a better finish. And actually, I believe that it's even a better product. And then also what you see underneath here is you see literally plastic underneath the concrete. Now, what that's doing is it's allowing it to not get freezing and thawing, coming pushing up as much as what we normally would, if it can, because moisture could get up underneath our ground and when freezing, heave our driveways up and push them up. But right here, this is stopping this from happening as much. No, it still can naturally, but not as much. Really helps out. Also, too, this is really wet ground. It's also so they're not laying it right on wet ground. So it's giving them a little better surface to pour concrete. Also, I wanted to share with you is what they're doing with this rebarb here. And what they're doing is they're tying these up to get these sections together. See that this rebarb is sticking out from the, let's see if I get my finger in here, from this pad out into that. So when the next pour comes in here, it'll butt right up in there and they'll tie the two together. But you'll see right in here where they left the openings here. So this is where we'll stick the rebarb into it. But I don't know if I like that a whole lot because, that's good because what it's doing is allowing a little room here for our rebarb, for our concrete. When it shrinks, it's going to shrink as it dries. And when it shrinks, when the water comes out of it, then it'll get tight around this rebarb, tighten it up. But it's not to the point that it's going to have any kind of crackage or major issues. You can look down up here, we'll kind of back up here a little bit, and you can see we got a nice swell right through there where the water coming down off this driveway is coming down pretty thick, pretty fast. I mean, we're talking hundreds of gallons on on a heavy rainy day, which we've had the last few, some tornadoes coming through, and it just sheds this water right away. Anyway, this is some wonderful things I think you need to look at when you're getting your concrete driveways or whatever done. And this is a high quality job, something to go off of and look at. Thanks folks for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. We appreciate you. God bless.